Hey guys, look at me. Look at my hair. That looks awful. Oh my god, my hair is so dry and full of knots and just disgusting. Well, and I'm going out. Well, I can't go in this tank top because, I can see my bra and it's not really flattering, and I'm going to the mall. There's air conditioning, so I'm going to change to a t-shirt and just, pull myself a bit together and maybe look much better. I don't know. What do you think? This is the before. My hair looks like lioness. So let's see how we end up looking like. Okay, let's just jump in and get started. First, okay, I still have my tank top. first t-shirt. This is my t-shirt and it's going to be on. Let's do that, cute Instagram thing when I do like this and I'm wearing the shirt. So that was magic, right? This is the t-shirt. You just can't see the writing and it looks blank and plain and nothing on it, but it is printed. Okay, let's put some earrings on because why not? I really love these earrings. They're so cute. So let's just pop in some earrings and feel like a person, and then we'll do something with the hair. I don't have time to straighten it because I have to be ready in 20 minutes. My friend is coming to pick me up. She's now at the dentist. Okay, so earrings on. Let's just brush my hair with this wet brush, even though my hair is completely dry. I usually do not comb all the way because here again lots and lots of knots, and if I am going to wear it in a bun, I don't really need all the hair straightened, even though this is a very good brush. And just some hair wax, whatever you have at home. It doesn't really matter which one. This I bought at the Superdrug. Just taking a bit, warming it between my fingers. Very nice scent to it, and I just want to take all of the frizz out because I have a lot of frizziness. So I just want to take it out. I have my scrunchie here ready to go. Let's take a bit more and we'll do like that. Now it's not 100% going to help, but it's going to do a better job than me holding my fingers crossed and hoping that I won't get any little hairs. Okay, yep, that's much better. Maybe I can braid my hair on the side. I'm just taking the leftovers and a tiny bit more and just, adding it here. I didn't plan to braid, but maybe a braid on the side will look cute and whimsical, and I'll feel like in my 20s. I used to do it a lot when I was in my 20s, just braiding my hair like that on the side. Of course my hair wasn't dry from all of those hair colors over the years. Okay, so let's take the scrunchie, which is way too big for this braid. I wasn't planning to use it in the braid. Oh god, look at all that hair. Can you see that? Yep, disgusting, but it is what it is. I'm trying to film in real life and not edit as much. except of course the shirt thing that I have no choice but edit, because you know, me removing my t-shirt or my tank top in on YouTube, I don't think that will work out, right? Okay, so I braided my hair. This is how it looks like. It's hard to see because of the dark hair on the dark shirt, but it's not 100% again, but it looks normal. From afar you can't really see that, right? Okay, let's just apply something on the face. This is Catrice Soft Glam Filter Fluid in light to medium. Oh yeah, that's it. Do you have this or a similar product to this? Do let me know. I don't get the hype on this product. It takes forever to apply because, you know, you do want to have some coverage. And can you see how long it's taking? With my fingers it would have taken less, but because my fingers are all have wax on them, I don't want to use them, so I'm using this one. Of course I'm going over it with a sponge because I don't feel like the wand is doing much. I'm not a fan of this, and I'm so glad I bought the inexpensive Catrice one to figure out if I like this kind of product and not invest in the Charlotte Tilbury one. I don't know about the shade, it's a bit too dark for me, even though it is light to medium. This is the second shade. And I didn't want to take light because I feel like light is way too light, if you know what I mean. Yeah. So maybe it isn't. If you have light, do let me know. I'm interested. But can you see the glow this gives me? This is great. I love the glow, but I'm not really sure. I mean, can you see the differences with my neck? Of course you can see. It looks hideous. So I'm just taking my sponge and doing that. Exactly like that, so it looks more like a person. Okay, brows, Anastasia brow mascara in ash brown. I've been using it, I think, consistently for, I don't know, a few weeks now. I am enjoying it, so I keep using it until it's all dry down and there's nothing left. This is great for traveling. I am planning to travel in October. I still don't know where, but I'm planning to. We'll see. Or October or November, something like that is the plan, but you know, plans have a tendency to change. Maybe do I have? Yeah, I do have. Okay, let's use this one. I haven't used that one forever. This is from Natasha Denona. This is Diamond and Blush and Highlighter palette. This is how it looks like. You have 3 creams. Oh my god, this is so out there, and I don't know how much you can see. 3 creams, 3 powders at the bottom. Oh, here you can see much better. These are the creams. They have a plastic cover. So let's just blush with the middle shade. This is the shade. I know I did not bronze yet. I'm aware of it, but I kind of want to blush first. I'm just taking my finger and applying way too much blush. Can you see that? At least on this side. But no worries, we have the sponge. The sponge will absorb excess product, and I think it over absorbed, so we'll add a tiny bit more on this side. Now this one also have, let me just clean my finger, it has two highlighters. I'm going to take the lightest one here, very light, cutie. You're supposed to apply the cream and then apply the powder. So I am creaming, and we will powder in a minute. I'm just using my fingers. I totally forgot they have the cream, the hair wax on them, so I have some hair wax on my face. Yeah, I have a hair also. That's a bummer. Why didn't you remind me? Because I remembered when applying the foundation, so to speak, but forgot when it came to applying the blush and highlighter. And I think I over exaggerated with the highlighter. Outer space, aliens, can you see me? Okay, before I continue with this, I want to use my Buttermilk bronzer by NYX. This is number, well, this is number 4. I'm going to use number 3. This is number 3. Deserve Butter. This is number 4. Butter Biscuit. This is too dark for me. I'm going to use number 3. And take my... Yeah. Someone called my daughter, took my bronzing brush. So let's take this one from Sephora collection number 3. Hoping it's clean. And just apply some powder bronzer. This is a very nice scent to it. Number 4 is way too dark. So if you were wondering which one to pick up, and you have my skin tone, which is light to medium, and I highly recommend number 3. And if you can swatch in store, even better. I didn't, I blind ordered 3 and 4. At the beginning I only ordered number 4, so I'm just adding. As I was saying, I ordered number 4, I added it to my cart, and then I don't know why I added also number 3, and I was lucky because number 4 way too dark for me. Okay, we're going back to Natasha Denona, and I'm going to the blush and the highlighter from this palette, the powder side now, and because I really need more powder. Sometimes when I do these videos and I'm just taking the highlighter brush and oh my god, no. Oh my god, I'm covered with glitters all over. Okay, let's take the other side. Usually when I get out of these videos and I look in the mirror in my bathroom, I look so glowy and so tanned. Sometimes the camera or the, I don't know, the settings of the light just reduces the bronziness in the camera, but in real life I look bronzy and blushy and highlighty, sometimes too much. Okay, I'm not going to do anything special with the eyes. What is the time now? Oh my god. Okay, I need to get down in 2 minutes. Okay, so 2 minutes and I still have to put, okay, so let's just wrap things out. This is my NYX Fat Oil Stick Click in, where's the shade name? Here, Going Viral. So this one you have to click at the bottom. I really like it. a very nice shade, and I like the scent. And I just need mascara. I'm not going to do anything else because again, I have just 1 minute now. I'm just using my Sky High. I have a clock here, but the battery died and I forgot. I think the battery died a few months ago and I always forget to change the battery, and this is what happens. I get distracted and lose track of time. Okay, I'm ready. That's it. I have brows, I have lashes, even though you can't see them, blush, bronzer, highlight, lipstick. I have my hair done. I have my earrings, my shirt. I just need to grab some pants and I'm ready. Okay, I really have to go. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new and join my family here on YouTube. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you will know whenever I'm uploading a new video. And like, subscribe, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.